just thinking, man, we need to make a fresh video with this thing because it's come a long ways in the last 3 years.
It only took you half a decade to build it.
But, you know, all the challenges aside, this thing is pretty sweet, man.
Yeah.
It's, everything is worked about. It steers, it stops, it goes.
Yep.
It's got some needs, don't get me wrong, but it's ready to ride.
Yeah. Last video, we did talk about the steering rack, how he already had one.
Yeah.
He replaced the original, what, 78 model?
60s. 60s model. Yeah. So,
whatever it was.
yeah, now she's much
better.
tighter.
Much tighter. It's not, you don't, he before he had a full quarter wheel, and now you have what, 20 degrees?
Minimum degrees, yeah, that much.
Yeah.
And it's already touching them.
Yeah, so it's better. It's better than it
It's
was.
like a little Porsche, man.
It has the play of a what, 98 1500
Yes, sir.
Z71.
That's the best driving automobile there ever was. So, if we can just roll with that,
Yeah.
that's good. And I got all the street legalness. So
Yes.
turn signals, brake light, tail light.
Turn them on. Turn them on for the people.
All right.
Just hit the four ways, I guess.
Yeah.
Still working on mountain solutions on everything,
Right.
but this is literally just for.
Have we got it?
No. There you go.
Yeah, we are well lit.
Lit with factory connectors, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. That's thanks to my man there.
I sourced the mess out of those
He
things.
sourced that,
It was a hard one to get, but
yeah.
a few emails, phone calls later.
Brake light check.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she
Coming on. It's been 3 years since this whole ordeal
yeah,
started.
since you bought the two bikes originally, and we found it, and you started building another cage. Cage didn't work. Cage
Right.
1 didn't work. That was E2.
That was E2. Yeah.
E2
That
didn't
was
work.
Trial 1. But
Yeah.
there's a lot of parts from E2 in here.
Yes, like
all
the
square
brake
tubing
lever, any square tubing you see
is E2.
is
yeah.
E2.
That's right.
So we reused. Yep.
Yeah. And all of this stuff is it's all been utilized.
Yep.
So yeah, the only thing that I see as like a super safety problem is if I get rear-ended. Fork pin,
Yeah.
if it shears a fork pin,
Yeah.
it's gonna try to push the bike into this, you know,
Seat.
It's like a little suicide mission if you get rear-ended. So try to run fast enough to where you don't get rear-ended.
Well, just keep an eye on your mirrors and get out the way.
Yeah.
Just get out the way before they hit you.
crooked.
Yeah, take it crooked.
Take it
Yeah.
crooked.
Yeah.
Never take it
Make
straight
sure
on
they
the
hit
rear.
the bike and not you.
Right.
Yeah.
Take it crooked, she'll be fine.
But he ain't gonna be driving this every day. This is definitely a RC car weekend warrior.
That was the goal. So let's remind the people.
Yeah.
Originally, we were shooting for
You need-
like a Traxxas
Yeah.
that you can drive.
You need a little like a big whip antenna and me holding a controller for a joke.
Yes. With like a little LED on the end of it. I agree. Agree more.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be cool.
That would be
We
funny.
may end up doing that. All suggestions are accepted.
Yeah.
And you want to walk out here and get like a
Yeah.
little
Drive by.
takeoff? You want to cut the GoPros on?
Yes.
While I
Because,
slap
man,
this helmet on?
that's unlike me to forget to return the GoPros
Well, I
on.
mean, this is pretty exciting
But
stuff.
for you to remember is also
Right?
just surprising.
So,
All right, we got two.
I'm not 100% sure if I have to wear a helmet, like legally,
Yeah.
because I think this thing would be considered an auto cycle by the law. So,
Yeah,
being that it's an auto cycle, it's got cycle in it and it's got a motorcycle tag.
Yeah,
I'm gonna just wear this to try to keep the man off me.
for now.
Yeah.
Until we know
If I get a
for
body
sure.
and a windshield,
Yeah.
he'll probably leave me alone. But
Need an NC State Trooper to let us know.
yeah,
You gonna pull me over?
he definitely will.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he definitely will. I still clear behind me.
Yeah. At the moment. Now keep it down. Keep the noise down. So.
Are we good?
Yeah. Damn it, boy.
Am I still clear behind me?
Yeah. I keep it down. Keep the noise down.
Are we good?
Yeah. Damn it, boy. Well, he lit him up. That was crazy. That was my first time seeing that. But he left some 11s. Close 11s at that. He's definitely the only one with those 11s. He's back.
How much of a thrill was that?
You gotta do it again. Lexus didn't see it. She missed it twice, man. I didn't know she didn't see it.
I was out there feeding the pigs and then I saw smoke and I heard something and then I looked.
Lucky for you,
You were gone.
I don't mind doing it again. I'll be right back.
Yeah. You're good. You're still good.
Good? 3, 2, 1.
He had a one-wheel pill that time. He only burnt one down.
Good? 3, 2, 1. Good? 3, 2, 1.
And he is back.
That would be the coolest autocycle ever. I mean, really.
Yeah. Now, you only did a one-wheel pill that last time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was only driver's side.
I eased into it.
Okay. Yeah, only driver's side. I was thinking you broke a rubber band or, well, no, not rubber band, but something happened.
Kickstand.
Oh, that's what rubber you were talking, or that phone you were talking about.
The kickstand magnet.
Oh, did it fall off?
Could have.
No, you're still. I mean, is it saying?
I'm good.
What, you got a warning there? No, it says it's good, green to go.
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know. Yeah, you eased into it though.
Yeah, I mean, maybe that.
Or anything.
Yeah. And now I need to know if it's two-wheel problem or if it's. I gotta do it again.
So,
I don't know.
Yeah.
where's your speedometer at?
He's got the two screens
I got that.
right there for the bikes, and
This
then
one is accurate.
and that's the draggy.
Oh, okay.
If you want a draggy, don't mind the hazy screen. I may not know how to keep nothing clean. It's a you can get that on draggymotorsports.com, I think it is.
Yeah. You can get a little discount if
Get a
you.
little discount if you put our code in. Link in the description.
I'm gonna have to do one more pull just to make sure it's.
Okay. Well,
I'm gonna just do one more.
yeah, you could have picked a hotter day to do this too.
This time I'm gonna do a rolling.
Okay.
Cause it'll. Well, no, let me just stop.
You can whatever you want to do, man.
I'll come back by with a rolling
Okay.
and turn around that way.
That's fine. You're still clear.
Do stop. I'll come back by with a rolling and turn around that way.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You're still clear.
Well, no, let me just stop. Do stop. I'll come back by with a rolling
Okay.
and turn around that way.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You're still clear. see. Yep, just a little pressure washer going by. That's all that was. You definitely did that. That fucking Range Rover didn't want to stop for you, man. That Range Rover didn't want to stop.
I know.
It was right on your ass, didn't care.
What an auto cycle.
I know, right?
Man. You gotta catch your breath after stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, damn.
Yeah.
So brutally fast. I love it.
Yeah. I love it, man.
So now that we've recorded this, YouTube, I'm gonna get him to go in there and show me the video. I need to see it. But this is Eddie.
Yeah, this is Eddie.
Eddie, and we are so exhausted from all of the problem solving required to create this thing.
It was a lot of mathification, a lot of headaches.
Yeah.
Actually, a lot of nights take the bikes apart.
It was a full night apiece.
A full night apiece.
A full night apiece.
Like we started at like 5 or 6 o'clock. Didn't stop till what, 1 or 2 in the morning.
Dark 30. Very
Past,
dark 30.
Yeah.
So,
Very
I mean,
past dark 30.
Yeah.
Every bit of like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. I remember getting home, but hey, it was all worth it because we're here. You're riding.
No, nothing new. Need to actually like make a full run.
Yeah.
See what it does.
Yep.
Because I did 10 seconds and let out at probably 5.
I was about to say, yeah.
If that.
Yeah, you need to actually. Well, this is just testing. You're making sure all your bolts are tight and you don't have any
Right,
squirreliness
right,
in the box
right.
and whatnot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he's been on that little Marauder. I don't know if you remember seeing that little go kart, but that thing would change a full lane, the whole lane,
Yeah.
in a second.
Yeah.
So that was a square little thing. So
Yeah.
he's still a little gun shy on stuff that he's built.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, all these wheels and stuff, I'm so far from being certified for that stuff. These wheels never knew they were going to have the pressure that they are undergoing. So far, so good.
Yeah, we hadn't seen any cracks. We're still looking.
Yeah, so far,
but yeah.
so good.
He's how many miles do you think you put on it since you've got this creation
I did
together?
6 miles just now.
Really? Well, you had to go down. That was
Yeah.
that was a road there.
But yeah, I did 6 miles just now, and most of it was to the floor, and only burnt 7%.
Wow. Yeah.
That's nuts, man. This thing's gonna go so far.
See if I can get that.
Range video is coming soon.
Oh yeah.
Range
Dude,
video is coming
you know
soon.
we you already drove this. You already drove one bike back by itself from Raleigh.
Yeah.
And you drive this thing to Raleigh.
That would be pretty sick. Like do back road only.
Yeah.
That way it's just slow speeds,
Yeah.
less traffic. That would be so much fun. That may be.
You got to get cruise though.
That may be in the works.
Yeah.
I know, man. If I could put the two together and have cruise, that would just be the dream come true. But right now, it's just pedal.
You can have cruise on one and Regen on the other.
I think I could have cruise on one and put the other on neutral regen. Where
Yeah,
there's
nothing.
no drag. No
No
nothing.
drag, nothing.
And I think the one bike would have no problem.
Yeah, I'm getting it
pulling
there.
it.
Yeah.
Just keeping it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be
I
fun.
think I hooked a tire on that one takeoff. I think it hooked up. I think the tire got hot.
Finally.
I think it hooked
Oh no,
up.
the second time you
The
burned them both
second.
down. But the
Oh, yeah,
the third, it burned them both down. But the second one,
I rolled
you only
into
burnt that one.
Yeah, I rolled into it and I think it stuck it.
Yeah,
I think it was rolling.
yeah.
It was moving.
Did you get any rubber back here?
Oh, you know it.
Oh yeah, you got little flakes.
You know it. That was great. I'm gonna put her up.
Yeah, let's go put your toy up.
Thanks,
before you-
YouTube.
All right, guys,
It was the bomb.
we're gonna keep it between the ditches. Later. You trying to rewind it and see it?
Oh no, I'm going for round 2.
Oh,
Oh yeah, round 2 was way straighter. Yeah.
so YouTube, I just showed Steven the footage of both angles we had on the GoPros. He's in love. I was just
see the flyby.
yeah.
I gotta see the flyby.
I hadn't even seen that one yet. Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! Look
So
at him!
good. It's so good.
Yeah, reaction video to his own video.
Reaction to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never done that.
That's how you know you're self-conceited. I'm just kidding.
Hey man.
I'm just kidding.
Narcissism is what you need for YouTube success.
Alright, that was just a little bonus clip on this.
Yeah.
Alright guys, see you later.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell